Welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. So in class 7 we already learned about distance and displacement. Here first, distance. Distance means length of path that you are traveling. Length of the path that you are traveling. Here for example, I am taking this as a point Kakinada, and this is one of the path to go Vijayawada. Okay, so there is only one path to go from Kakinada to Vijayawada. So what is the length of the path means we have to add the total distance of this journey. Okay, so that is called as distance. Okay, distance means the total sum of the lengths of the journey is called distance. Okay. Here distance is represented by S. Represented by S. Okay. So another point here, the distance is scalar quantity. Distance is scalar quantity because this distance have only magnitude but do not have specific direction. Okay, so distance have magnitude and does not have specific direction. So that is why distance is called as scalar quantity. Okay. And the next point, units. Units are kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, etc. Okay, so these are the units we commonly use: kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, so in this is SI and this is CGS. Okay, so this is distance. Here for example, a car is travel 8 kilometers due to north and 16 kilometers due to east and 15 kilometers due to south. Okay, so here they are asking to find the distance traveled. Distance traveled. Here a car is traveled 8 kilometers due to north and 16 kilometers due to east and 15 kilometers due to south. See here, this is not 8 kilometers, and due to east 16 kilometers, and due to south 15 kilometers. Okay, so we have to find the total distance. So total distance means 8 plus 16 plus 15, which means 16 plus 15 means 31. 31 plus 8 means 39. So the distance is 39 kilometers or meters. Okay. So this is distance. Distance means length of the path which you have traveled, that is called distance. Okay, and the next one, displacement. Displacement. Here displacement means the shortest path that you can travel. Shortest path that you can travel, which means a very shortest path. In before example, we said that this is 8 kilometers and this is 16 kilometers and this is 15 kilometers. Okay, so in this, what is displacement? Distance means 39 kilometers. Displacement means we have to draw like this. Okay, so diagram is not clear. If I take like this, okay, so the draw straight, which is, this is 8 kilometers and the remaining is 7 kilometers. Okay, so here I am sliding this vector to this side. As in vectors, I am sliding this to this. So it becomes 8 kilometers and the remaining is 7 kilometers. So here the displacement is, this is 16 kilometers and this is 7 kilometers, which means we have to find again root, because this is a Pythagoras theorem, right angled triangle. Okay, so here we have to find this length. Here we already know this 16 and this is 7, and here we have to find this hypotenuse. So here this is root over 16 square plus 7 square, because these are adjacent sides. So we have to find hypotenuse. So here root over 16 square means 256 plus 7 square means 49. Okay, so here this equation I am solving here, and here root over 256 plus 49 means 305. Okay, so this is the value of this hypotenuse, root over 305 meters. We cannot solve with simpler forms. Okay, so this is the displacement. Okay, and here very important, displacement means shortest path that you can travel. Okay, so here displacement is a vector quantity. Okay, and here units are kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, etc. Okay, so this is the displacement, shortest path that you can travel. This is a vector quantity which have both magnitude and direction, and the units of this displacement is same as distance, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay. And for example, this is 5 kilometers and this is 9 kilometers and this is 10 kilometers and this is 12 kilometers. So this is starting point A and this is ending point B. Okay, so here we have to find the values of first one distance, second one displacement. Here S means distance, S bar means displacement, because the distance with direction means displacement, distance with magnitude means distance only. Okay, so here first distance. How much distance? 5 kilometers plus 9 kilometers, 14 kilometers, plus 10 kilometers, 24 kilometers, plus 12 kilometers. 24 plus 12, 36 kilometers. Okay, so this is the distance. We have to add the values of these kilometers. Okay, and the displacement is, we have to draw first like this straight line. Okay, and this is one of the adjacent side and this is one of the adjacent side I am taking, and this is right angle 90 degrees and this is hypotenuse of this triangle. Okay, so how we will find the displacement here? Here I am taking this as 5. Okay, because these and this value and this value are equal, 5 kilometers I am taking. So here this value I am taking as 2 kilometers. Okay, so we have to find this hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means root over 5 square plus 2 square. Okay, so it become root over 5 square means 25, 25 plus 2 square means 25 plus 4, it become 29 kilometer. Root over 29 kilometer is the hypotenuse. Okay, and so today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.